Alright guys, this is Jake doing a quick review today on this Omega Juicing Screen 2 upgrade, and you can see all of the different ones that this specific part fits for. So I'm sure you want to get a look at it, make sure this is going to be the right part for the specific Omega juicer that you have. So I just want to show you this, make sure that you can see all the pieces of it and know that this is the one that you actually need. Again, there in the title and the description, it's going to list all of the different models that this one will actually be applicable to, but I just want to be able to show you so you can get a good look at it. So you're going to have your screen down here at the bottom and your piece up here. Then obviously through the top is how it's going to filter, and you have your rubber piece down here at the bottom. So super simple. If you do need this part, this thing gets the job done exactly what you want it to do, and it'll help you get that Omega juicer fixed as quickly as possible.